as consultants, when we go into a client, we tend to see things from a different lens.
It's my job to read the tea leaves, as I like to call it.
We'll maybe go out to the site where some of these losses are occurring and show the client what risk factors we're seeing.
We don't think that our folks at the sites really see the whole picture, because sometimes they'll see one injury at one site and they'll say, well, that's not really a trend because I've only had one of these. But if they see that same injury occurring at 3 or 4 of their sites, then it's a trend.
So the client is a German-based tech company that specializes in precious metals, in medical devices, and in optics.
We noted that 70% of their costs were coming from ergonomic-related injuries across their North America division, and 40% of the frequency of their injuries were also ergonomic-related. So a lot of opportunity there. There was an issue with the manual handling of cardboard tubes, and that had been one of their loss drivers and actually contributed to a $99,000 loss that they'd had.
They were moving them around manually, lifting, reaching, bending, twisting, awkward postures, and we needed to develop some sort of solution to fix that. So the main injuries that we saw specifically were to the back, the lower back, and the shoulder, and it was definitely related to the specific task of moving tubes around.
As a result of our loss analysis, we engaged our ergonomist, Michael White, who came out to the site, reviewed the operation, and met with the site's engineers, and together they came up with a solution. Now it's automated. This forklift goes over, picks up the device that is fully loaded with tubes. A gentleman just turns the crank and they all just feed out and are conveyed right on. He doesn't have to stand there all day, every day, pick them up, put them down.
And with that came a huge productivity savings. And in the end, that is what led to the great success that we've had with this account.
Our job is a very satisfying one. It's more than just saving our client money. Of course, that's important, but really it's about safeguarding the customers of the Hartford and their employees.
I'll find myself doing the same jobs that they're doing, just understand what recommendations I can make to best help them.
That's what our entire risk engineering organization is about.